Happy birthday, Fun Spot. So for all of you that saw these cool rides and you want to do them yourself, I have some excellent news for you. Right now, Fun Spot is celebrating their 28th birthday. So on March 6th, they have unlimited bands to get on every single ride for 28 bucks. So if you were ever curious from what you saw, now is your chance. But come on, let me give you a preview. It's been a minute, but welcome back to Freedom Flyers. Let's Freedom Fly. Alrighty, welcome to Freedom Flyers. Fun Spot Orlando. I've done this one a few times already. You guys know my escapade on this one. I feel a bit more confident, I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like after everything I've been through, this is now a joke. I think since it's cake now, see, this is easy. It's an easy, simple kid ride. Oh, never mind. Never mind. There was nothing kid about this roller coaster. Oh, this is for the thrill seeker. This is for the Iron Quasi lovers. Okay, we good? No, we are absolutely not. Oh my God, that being flushed out the toilet feeling. I should have absolutely drank some Mountain Dew today. Oh no, wait. Oh God, I'm being pushed into the seat. I'm being pressed like a diamond. I'm not reacting. Oh, and I'm done. Oh my God. I've done this one a few times already. You guys know my escapade on this one. I feel a bit more confident, I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like after everything I've been through, this is now a joke. I think since it's cake now, see, this is easy. It's an easy, simple kid ride. Oh, never mind. There was nothing kid about this roller coaster. Oh, this is for the thrill seeker. This is for the Iron Quasi lovers. Okay, we good? No, we are absolutely not. Oh my God, that being flushed out the toilet feeling. I should have absolutely drank some Mountain Dew today. Oh no, wait. Oh God, I'm being pushed into the seat. I'm being pressed like a diamond. I'm not reacting. Oh, and I'm done. Oh. Up next, we have their drop tower Firecracker. It looks chill, it looks easy. Come on. All right, we're going up. So this is kind of like their Dr. Doom fear drop. Oh, and it spins too. Of course it spins. Why wouldn't it spin, right? Oh, okay. We're good. Oh, I'm okay. I'm fine. Oh my God. Okay. It's like no point of safety where you can just chill and relax and just think of better days. Oh my God. Okay. Your boy's good. This person is having a lot of fun. They push me up and then they just release it. Like, okay, I think we're good. I think we're just gonna go down slowly now. Oh, we're good. Oh, no, we're not. You know what? I actually like this one compared to like Dr. Doom. No, I don't. That last one made my stomach drop. Other than that, it was pretty decent. Highly recommend. 10/10. Whew, freaking ruined my hair on this side. So this was Firecracker at Fun Spot Orlando. It was interesting. Of all the drop rides I've done, for me, this is probably like the top 10. Now, if you're a thrill seeker, this is probably in last place. But if you just want to feel it without feeling it, recommend. For those of you curious, here is the special right here. All right, so let's get on Rib Curl. I am not a fan of anything that goes in circles, but this is something different for us to do. And I'm gonna bring Magic Mile Explorer with me, so come on.
Why did you let me do this, bro?
I'm all ready.
No, I don't like
this. This is already a regret, like.
I don't like this.
Okay. I mean, it's not that bad, right?
No!
Now we good.
No!
Y'all get it?
No!
Wait a minute.
No!
Hey, we're fast enough already. Hey, no! How are you squishing me?
You're squishing me!
Okay, no! Damn! That's why it says larger person on the left! I can't feel my legs!
I can't just
Oh, wait a minute!
Help!
Oh! Oh my God! No! I'm getting dizzy and squished at the same time! Why is this ride so loud? Oh my God! That was nuts. Oh my God, we're done. Hey, yo. Oh. That was nuts. Let's go backwards, right? No, okay. Oh no! What do you mean there's more? Come on! I was good! Oh no! Now we're going backwards! Now we're going backwards! Oh no! Oh, I don't like backwards! Oh my God! Hey yo! Hey yo! I'm getting squished again! Adi! You're not gonna get a diamond if you compress me! Rickard! Rickard, you keep! Oh! Oh, everything hurts! I need help! I need Jesus! Kanye, where are you? Oh my God, okay. Your boy's dizzy. Your boy's gonna yak a big ton of hot dogs. Why are your hands up? Oh! I'm getting squished. I'm being turned into mashed potatoes. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Happy birthday, Fun Spot! Oh! Oh! Please! I've had enough! You win! I've been ripped curl! Thank you, Rhea Ripley, thank you! So much ripped curl! Rip tied, I've been rip tied. Ugh. I'm gonna yet again yak. Welcome to the fun house. It's for the 28th. All right. I am really bad at these things, like really bad. Oh, that's, oh, brother, oh, what are these, lightsabers? Oh, I think I'm breaking them.
What is this?
What are you stepping on?
I don't know.
What is it? Is it like a dojo mat? I'm so fat, I'm like crushing it. Go ahead, Annie. This is focused on you right now. Oh, there's an air blast? I feel like I'm doing American Ninja Warrior. Whoa, oh my God. Where did that come from? Who knows? Like I'm still trying to find it on the floor. Okay, Andy, this is a really bad ankle review.
That's fine.
Okay, you're good?
Yeah,
Okay, then in that case.
what is this?
Am I the only person?
I'm gonna like fall through this and I just go whee!
So what, like a trap? It was exactly that. It was a trap. Oh, I get it. You wind it up and you... Ah! What was that?
What?
I don't know. It was, made a weird... I'm not crazy. You heard that, right?
Oh, yeah. What the heck is this? Okay.
This is your video, buddy. Go! I'm the perfect cameraman right now. It's a pit! Oh my God, it just literally throws you off.
Oh God.
This is American Ninja Warrior. Or Gladiators. So it just sinks?
How do I get to the other one?
Just turn her on and go. It's a conveyor belt. Oh, it is a conveyor belt. Addy,
Oh, whoop that trick.
move forward. Whoop that trick.
Whoop that trick.
Whoop
Oh
that
my God.
Wasn't this like an exercise machine back in the day? Oh. Oh, I'm not gonna break it. Oh no. Trickophobia. Ah. Oh. Yo, I'm being waxed. Oh. Just keep walking, it'll reactivate it.
Brady, you broke it.
Don't worry, I pre-broke it. You're definitely doing the slide, right? You're gonna let them pass us, so we're not slowing them down. Your pose. Ali, wait. Ali, the sky swing, can you handle it?
Hell no.
You can take the stairs or the slide. What are you doing? This. Here.
Oh man.
It's your video.
I'm scared. Is he gone?
Yeah, go.
It's pretty steep though, no?
I know it is. Go.
I'm scared. Oh God. Oh my God, I don't like.
Based on your yelling, it determines whether I do it or not.
Oh God, I'm getting stuck. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Your boy's about to go down a dark slide. Hey, yo! Oh my God. Yo, static like a mother. Static shock? I don't want special abilities. Oh, that got me dizzy. That got me real dizzy. Hold on.
Oh, if there's like more air.
I feel like everything is a trap. It's an exercise. Stop, I'm on it.
What? Oh God. Oh jeez. Oh God.
What's it doing?
Oh my.
You got it, Adi. I'm gonna try and follow. You're being flavor blasted. Of course I look funny. I think it's a really dope deal. It's June 6th, and what I like about it is that it lets you ride everything, and it's a really, really reasonable price. It's their 28th birthday, that's why it's $28. Get it? You guys get it. But that's what I personally like, that you can literally do everything a fun spot, check it off your list, and if you like it, come back, just like I do. Did I mention they have gators? Come on. So these are baby swamp puppies right here, okay? These are the babies, they're at the daycare. These are the gators. And I don't like the way they're approaching me, but hey, gators are gators, and I'm a Florida boy. And right here we got Big Bertha. You know why we call her Big Bertha, right? I'm pretty sure that's not her name, but it's a what? Big Nasty? That's the name? Your name is Big Nasty? Yeah, because I wouldn't go in there if they paid me, so yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liberty Swing. I am not a fan of swing rides, like, at all. So the fact that we're doing this, Magic Mile Explorer, the fact that we're doing this is already pretty terrifying. But what I'm trying to figure out is how high, oh my God, wait a minute, hey, hold on. Oh my God, hey, yo, wait, we're drifting over here. This is the Fast and the Furious. Can we like not, oh, we still got more ways to go. We still got more. This is terrifying. I'm trying not to yell because there's some kids behind me and I don't want to freak them out. Talk about 6'7". 6'7". Oh my God. Why did I get on this? Why did I make the mistake of agreeing to get on this? Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Like I'm holding on to this chain. These chains aren't as thin as the Orlando Flyer, but Jesus Christ, this is terrifying. I'm not gonna yell though. Not gonna yell. Okay, good. I think we're going back down. Oh, thank God. No, this is definitely not for me. I don't know. Oh, and it's windy as heck up here. So the whole thing is shaking. Why are we slow? I would like to know why we're slowing down a bit. Okay. We're not drifting anymore. We're not Vin Diesel, so that's good. All right. Not so bad. You know what? I recommend this one. I highly recommend this one. That wasn't bad at all. That was actually pleasant. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out on a non-screaming version of a sky swing. Drink Mountain Dew and get on White Lightning. I don't have any Mountain Dew, but we're definitely gonna get on White Lightning. Come on. All righty, welcome to White Lightning. Oh, yep, lightning on your back. We have freedom flies over here. But right now we're on lightning. The white lightning. I'm not thrilled, I'm not excited, but here we go. Oh my God, I forgot. I never done the back. Oh my God. Yo, it is hard. Oh, holy monster lightning. Okay. Oh, oh my God. Yo, I should have drank on too. I should have drank on too. I regret it. Oh my God. Yo, what is this bastard? I can't even keep the camera. Oh, spin it. Oh, get it. Oh my God. Piggy, help. Damn it. Somebody. Oh, put me back on this girl. Put me back on this. That was intense. I give that ride a solid white lightning out of 10. Now that was a fun day, pun intended. With that said, on June 6th, if you ever wanted to do any of these rides, that is a killer deal, and I highly recommend you come in. It doesn't even have to be this one. It could be Fun Spot Kissimmee, and if you're in Atlanta, Fun Spot Atlanta with Air Force One. I'm just saying, $28 all-day tickets. That's every ride, within reason. With that said, till next time, catch you on the next drop.
Happy birthday.